Planning for a trip can either make your journey smooth or stressful. The key is to knowing what to bring so you're ready for any adventure that comes your way. From travel, tech to must-have personal items, we've rounded up the absolute essentials every traveler should carry. Let's dive into the top 10 best things to bring on a trip. 10. Reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated while traveling is non-negotiable. A reusable water bottle is both eco-friendly and incredibly useful, especially on long flights, hikes, or road trips. Many modern travel bottles come with built-in filters, which is perfect if you're heading to a destination where tap water isn't always reliable. Plus, refilling at water stations saves money and cuts down on plastic waste. Number 9. Noise-cancelling headphones. Whether you're flying, taking a train, or stuck in a noisy hotel, a good pair of noise-cancelling headphones is a game-changer. Not only can they block out background noise, but they also turn long travel days into peaceful escapes. You can enjoy your favourite music, watch downloaded shows, or catch a quick nap without constant interruptions. Number 8. Portable power bank. A dead phone or device can throw a wrench into any well-prepared itinerary. A portable charger or power bank ensures you'll have backup battery power when you're on the go. Look for one with multiple ports or solar charging if you'll be off the grid for a while. It's peace of mind in your pocket, especially if your phone is your camera, GPS, and ticket holder all in one. Number 7. Travel toiletry kit. No one wants to fumble through airport security with scattered toothpaste and shampoo. A compact toiletry kit filled with travel-sized hygiene essentials keeps everything organized and compliant with airline rules. Include basics like toothpaste, toothbrush, face wipes, deodorant, and hand sanitizer. Bonus point if it's in a clear, waterproof bag for easy airport checks. Number 6. Lightweight day pack. Even if you've packed a full suitcase or backpack, a smaller day pack is essential. Use it for day trips, hikes, or just walking around town. Choose one that folds up when not in use, has comfortable straps, and offers enough compartments for your water bottle, snacks, phone, and camera. It's the perfect in-between bag for exploring without being weighed down. Number 5. Travel adapter and converter. Nothing says rookie traveler like forgetting that power outlets aren't the same around the world. A universal travel adapter allows you to plug your devices in anywhere, and a converter ensures you don't fry your electronics. It's one of those tiny tools that makes a big difference. Some even come with USB ports so you can charge multiple devices at once. Number 4. Document organizer. Keeping your passport, boarding passes, vaccination records, visas, and travel insurance documents in one place is a game changer. A slim RFID blocking document holder or wallet not only organizes your essentials, but also keeps them secure. You'll save time at customs, check-in, and whenever you need quick access to your important papers. Number 3. Packing cubes. Packing cubes are the unsung heroes of organized travel. These small zippered bags separate your clothes by category, shirts, pants, underwear, or even by days of the week. They make unpacking a breeze, maximize luggage space, and keep things from turning into a tangled mess. Once you try them, you'll never travel without them again. Number 2. First aid and medicine kit. When you're traveling, it's smart to expect the unexpected. A small first aid kit with basics like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and motion sickness pills can save the day. Add in any prescription medications, allergy meds, and even electrolyte packets for hydration. You don't want to be stuck searching for a pharmacy in a foreign country at the wrong time. Number 1. Travel documents and wallet essentials. Topping our list are your absolute travel essentials: passport, ID, credit cards, cash in local currency, and travel insurance information. Without these, your journey could end before it begins. Always double-check you've packed them and keep them secure on your person or in a hidden travel belt or neck wallet. It's also wise to carry physical and digital copies of key documents, just in case. Did we miss one of your favorite travel must-haves? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to unleash your wanderlust. Have a great trip!